dapat ba talaga nilang i-consider yung sarili nila as financial advisor or just insurance agents?
Kasi alam ko financial advisor, correct me if I'm wrong, ano to naging marketing term I think dati kasi lahat insurance agents pero teka, takot na yung mga tao sa insurance agent Financial advisor na tayo ngayon.
I'm super excited with this episode kasi matututo ako magpayaman.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. MJ Aguilar. What up, sir?
Parang nabarag yung mundo ko noon, men. Utang nga yung minana namin Dahil namatay siya ng may pa kami. Paano namin babayaran yun?
Hindi ko rin gusto yung pupunta ako lagi ron sa office ng kung saan man yung office namin. Every weekend, pahinga ko yun
Parang trainings.
Oo, tapos mababayad pa ako pag di ako nakapunta.
Ganon?
Oo.
Possible for a financial advisor to really generate wealth for himself or herself.
You as a leader, your role is to develop yourself, be the fucking best version of you so that people would strive to live the life you're living.
If meron kang 10,000 ngayon, yun lang pera mo, 10,000.
10,000. Okay.
Paano mo siya palalaguin step by step?
Hindi ko to i-invest sa kahit saan. Titipirin ko to sa lahat ng aking makakaya.